Well, that was fun. We still have a question to answer. In fact, two questions to answer. Is this the ultimate touring kayak? And is it worth the $35 or $100 or so that it costs? And I think the answer to that question, really, it's the same question. Because the ultimate touring kayak, in my mind, is absolutely worth $3,500. It might not be worth $3,500 to you to have the ultimate touring kayak, but for me, I love paddling. It is. Doesn't mean I can afford it, but it is worth it. So, is it the ultimate touring kayak? Well, the answer to that is yes and no. It depends who you are. It depends what you want out of a kayak. If you're somebody who wants a portable kayak, someone who wants not only be able to throw it in the back of your vehicle, but to fly with your kayak, not just any kayak, with a 16-foot high-performance sea kayak. And not just a high-performance sea kayak, a sea kayak that can adapt to different types of paddling environments because of the adjustable rocker. It can deal with ocean surf and rough conditions, but it also can tour very effectively. So, I mean, that is, you know, for a lot of people, that is not available in any other kayak. And so, absolutely, this is the ultimate touring kayak.